Backed by a commitment to quality and choice, Sunbelt, a leading supplier of replacement parts and accessories, has kept outdoor power equipment performing for over 60 years. Made of aramid fibers, our fractional replacement belts are engineered and tested to deliver the performance and durability your equipment needs. Did you know aramid fibers are used in aerospace, military applications, and in bulletproof vests? Our fractional replacement belts provide length and width measurement matches as fractional increments, and they can fit a wide variety of applications with only minor pulley adjustments, if adjustments are required at all. Of course, a broken belt is a clear sign it's a time for replacement. But there are also other signs. A frayed belt may squeal or screech or cause your equipment to slow down or sputter intermittently. If you're noticing any of these symptoms, or it's been a while since you replaced your belt, do a visual inspection. If you find your belt is frayed, brittle, cracked, burned, or has a shiny glazed appearance, it's at risk of breaking, and you'll want to replace it as soon as possible. To find the right fractional replacement belt for your equipment, you'll just need to know the size of your current belt. If it hasn't worn off the belt itself, you can find it there. Otherwise, you can measure the belt using a tape measure or the measurement tool located at the in-store display. Using a tape measure, first determine the width of the belt by measuring across the outside edge. Next, determine the length by running the tape along the outside circumference of your belt. If the belt's broken, you'll need to hold it together in its oval shape while measuring. Once you know the belt size, you need to go to the belt size section of the cross-reference guide to find the corresponding product for your machine. A digital copy can be found within the Guides and Documents tab on this product page, and a printed version can be found at the in-store belt display. For the most accurate measurement, use the in-store measurement tool. First, place your belt in the measuring tool upper guide. Once the bottom end is in the lower guide, stretch the belt as much as you can by pulling downward. Then determine the width of the belt by noting where it aligns on the side of the lower guide, and find that marking that corresponds with your belt's width. For this example, this belt width measures as an A. In the fractional belt market, an A belt is a 1/2 inch wide belt. Here is a full listing of corresponding sizes. Next, check the length by looking at the bottom of the lower guide. First, find the marking that corresponds with your belt's width. In this example, it was an A. Then on the left side, in line with that marking, you'll see the fractional belt number. In this example, the A matches up with 94. So the belt you would need is a A94K. This corresponds to a belt size of 1/2 inch by 96 inches. The diagram here shows examples of how the industry represents belt sizes as fractional part numbers. If you're in between sizes, minor pulley adjustments may be necessary. With this in mind, we recommend sizing down with increments less than 0.5 and sizing up when 0.5 or greater. Now you know this part number for your application and you're all set. You can purchase it here online or from the store with confidence